Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have HUAWEI Nova 12i and I want to show you how add remove magnification to this device. To do that, open Settings application where we look for our accessibility features selection. There, first accessibility, and now we look for our magnification selection, which is off right now. To turn on it, we press there, and now we must switch on. There we can change option to activate our magnification. Maybe we set full screen of view of our magnification, and there after triple touch we can activate it. To change position of our zoom we must use two fingers and we can swipe on the screen. We can also zoom on zoom out by these features. To turn off it we press triple touch again on our screen. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.